You wouldn't let me close my eyes, so I can see you through and through. You're a sweet tender lover. We are so much in love. I'm not afraid when you're far away. Just give me a smile in your heart. You brighten my day, showing me my direction. You're coming to me and giving me inspiration. How can I ask for more from you, my dear? Maybe just a smile in your heart. I'm always dreaming of being in love, but now I know that this is true. Since you came into my life, it's true love that I have found. I pray that you wouldn't leave me, whatever may come along. But if you do, I won't feel so bad. Just give me a smile in your heart.
Para bang hangin na kahirap pigilin. Sana'y unawain ang pusong sa'yo'y balik. Nais kong malaman mo na iniibig kita. Hindi ko na sana pinagmasdan ang iyong ganda, at hindi na rin pinansin pa bawat ngiti mo may gayuma. Dahil sa akala ko hindi ako iibig sa'yo, ikaw pala ang aakit sa puso ko. Ano ang gagawin sa utos ng damdamin? Para bang hangin na kahirap pigilin. It is sin when your tummy aches. Build your fire if the furnace breaks. So it would be so nice growing old with you.